Okay, hello everyone, welcome back again with another video. So today we are going to talk about like HTX Huobi. So before it is Huobi, but now it's like XTX, and we are going to talk about OKX. So basically we are just comparing the strength, weakness, and about the trading, about the crypto, about the transaction fees. So everything we are going to just talk about. Okay, so I have provided the referral link which is in the description box. Please check it out. Also, if you have if you need like tutorial videos, then I have provided the both tutorial video for the STX Huobi and the OKX platform, so you can simply check it. And for the sign up for the trading, each and everything I have teach over here. Okay, so coming towards the strength and weakness, so let's get start. I have seen the nav bar, all the features that is there in the OKX platform, but I have not seen all these things in here in STX, but this is available in like OKX. So basically when user just enter to your website, so you need to just show something else that people might get attract. Okay, so before you used to process to the home page, before we need to like create a account. So then after we can simply see the this kinds of interface over here. So I have open in two different tabs so that it can be much more easier for you to just get understand about all this platform. Okay, so trade crypto only on HDX. So there the slogan over here. So whenever I just get login, so simply HDX provide all the navbar, all the details over there. So and they provide over here, and as it is for the OKX, so they used to so before sign up, but I don't see anything else over here the crypto related over here. So they should provide something like graph type, so the changing the trading like BTC, the coin changing, the trading, the crypto changing, so as it is you can see in STX. So these kinds of interface should be there in OKX also. So might be it will be much more helpful for the people, so to do trading, to invest some amount of money. So people are like investing over the platform, so it is your responsibility to make the your user interface very simple. Okay, so after that, so trade crypto only on STX and your portal to web. So simply they provide like OKX provide the wallet, but STX do not provide the wallet, means mobile wallet. Okay, so now let's talk about the market. Okay, so first of all, moving towards the other like transaction fees and everything else, so let's talk about the market. So I have seen, so simply you can see the price is like somehow similar, but I have seen the very drastic changes over here, like the changes. You can simply see the changes option over here. So the changes is very high. So see here in like OKX is just 0.2 around 29%, and here in the in the STX it's like around 5%. So it is the major difference. So simply you can see, so this is a major difference between the two platform STX and OKX. So how can this be possible in two different platform? So simply whichever you third it's good, then you can simply proceed to these any of the platform among these two platform. Okay, so simply you can see the changes. Simply you can see the changes in HTX Huobi. So basically which is like trustworthy. So simply If you think that if you wanna just calculate the margin, so simply you can calculate it, and the based on this the transaction fees depend based on this the changes also. So simply it's like 5%, sometime it's like going to be a 0.29%. So there is a huge difference between it. So whichever you think like you can simply do, you can simply have like a great trading like career over here in these two platform. But the it should not be like the drastic changes. So it depends upon the platform. So might be they are like having some margin over here in the crypto, or they are having low margin over here in the crypto. So based on this the current scenario, you can simply decide over here. So fill the transaction information. So simply you can see the transaction information. So in the STX, so whenever I select some crypto sorry, the amount of like the payment gateway, so simply they just reject it. So I don't like this. So if I have USDT, so what is the problem of like you can for what is the problem of STX? So if I have like my dollar card, so what is the problem over here? So if I pay through MasterCard, Visa card, so simply they always say the error. So I don't like this. But for the OKX, so it was quite simple. So simply they didn't like deny you over the like getting the MasterCard, Visa card, or any gateway. So that's why I have used VND. So simply we can like whichever currency I wanna just buy, then it will just simply translate. And if I tap B, so whichever I can simply like tap on the price and the crypto and the currencies, so they just get they just translate. So it is quite simple. So might be the transaction fees among it may varies, because the HTX did not like provide me the no data were found. So they just pop up the one message over here. So it is quite frustrating. So I have used AED in OKX, and I just wanna just use AED, but they denied. So what to do now? So there is nothing. So they need to fix it. So okay, so based on this, so the transaction fee might be varies, because like I have used some AED, and here in the like they didn't deny for the AED. So that's why. So but based on the like previous like the changes, so the transaction fee may varies, because OKX is using 0.29% and the changes. But as it is for the Bitcoin, STX Huobi is like in the 5%, so around 5%. So that's the reason where like the STX and OKX platform run. So it depends upon you. So we are not just insisting you to just invest over here in these two platforms. So we are just making video for you. So that's it. So this is the informational videos. So it depends upon you whether you choose which platform. But so at the end, so I like both platform, but I think OKX is more reliable. But you can try STX and OKX, both of this platform. So they have different weakness, strength. They so everybody does have. So that's the like life cycle of life or anything else. So if you like the content, please make sure to like and subscribe to our channel, hit the notification bell over there. We'll be uploading more videos like this. So don't forget to use our referral link.